Hey, third grade, this is Miss Stogsdill from Mays Elementary. It is great to be here with each one of you. I hope you are all doing well. I know I can speak for every teacher in Denison ISD that we are so ready to get back in the classroom and see you guys. We are missing you, miss seeing you, but we hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today, we are going to start our new math unit on personal finance. And we are going to look over some vocabulary words before we begin to get us started. We're going to be looking at meeting our wants and our needs. We're going to see what it means to need something compared to if we just wanted something. Our first word that we are going to look at is needs. And needs are things that you must have to survive. You have to have these things to live. We need healthful foods. We need water, clothing, shelter. All of these things you need to survive. Now, wants are a little different. They are things that you would like to have, but you do not need them to survive. We all want those basketballs, baseballs, volleyballs. We need those. We want those special sneakers, those expensive tennis shoes we don't have to have, but we want them. Board games, toys, those Xboxes, those are not things that you have to survive. Those are things that you want. Another vocabulary that we're going to look at right now is scarcity. These are some things that you might have heard right now during our time of being home. Scarcity. These things there is not enough of to meet the needs or wants of the people. Right now, there's not enough of certain foods and certain cleaning supplies that we need. They're not there. They're not at the stores where we can find them. Sometimes when we don't get a lot of rain, we're scarce. We're short on water. But then we have an abundance. When we have an abundance of something, there is a lot of it. Sometimes we get too much rain, so we have an abundance of water. One of the main words that we're going to look at today is income. How do we earn an income? And an income is money earned for work that people do. When you go take out the trash for your parents, maybe you clean up your room, you get an allowance. That is an income that you earn for doing a job. And if you will turn in your math book, if you have it, on page 888, we are going to look at an income and how you can earn an income for the work that you do. So on page 800, actually, I'm sorry, it's 887. We're going to look at jobs that you third graders could possibly do. So on page 887, at the top in the orange square, it says list at least 5 jobs a third grade student might do to earn money. About how much money do you think a student should earn for each task or job? So I was thinking about some jobs that you guys could do to earn some money and how much money I think that you should earn doing those jobs. So one of the jobs I thought that a third grader could do would be to take out the trash. I know as a parent, I would love for my girls to get the trash and take it out for us. And so I thought maybe they could earn $2 for taking out the trash. Another job that you could do is if you have animals. You could get up and you could feed your animals each day. And you could earn $1 for getting up and feeding those animals. Another one would be to clean your room. I know my girls are responsible for going in, dusting their rooms, picking up the trash on the floor, taking their dirty clothes, taking their toys and putting them away. And they would earn $5 for cleaning their room. The laundry. You could take your dirty clothes, put them in the washing machine, wash them and put them in the dryer and earn $3. Unload the dishwasher. Take those dirty dishes, put them in the dishwasher, wash them, and then unload them for earning $2. So I created my 5 jobs that I thought you third graders could be responsible for and the income, the money you could earn for doing those jobs. On the bottom of 887 says choose 2 jobs from your list. The first job should pay more than the second job. Why do you think the first job pays more than the second job? So why do you think the job you picked first would pay more than the second job? So I looked on mine and I took 2 jobs. Number 1 was to clean your room and number 2 was to unload the dishwasher. Because cleaning your room earned you $5 and unloading the dishwasher would earn you $2. Well, cleaning your room takes a little more work. You have to pick up your dirty dishes maybe that are in the floor, pick up your toys, take all of your dirty clothes and put them away, dust the furniture, straighten up your room. Where unloading the dishwasher is just taking those clean dishes and putting them in the cabinets, putting them away. You are earning more money cleaning your room because the job is a little harder. You're taking more time. You're doing more things, so you earn more income. You earn more money by doing a harder job. Now, looking on page 888, looking at earning an income, we're going to look at Connie. And in the box right here in red or orange, it says, each month, Connie spends 15 hours giving piano lessons and 15 hours walking the dogs. How much more does Connie earn each month giving piano lessons than walking the dogs? So right here in the green square, it shows you the money that Connie earns. Her job is to give piano lessons and she earns $9 each hour giving a piano lesson. Her job walking the dogs, she earns $7 per hour walking the dogs. So we're going to work together to find out how much more money that Connie earns giving piano lessons than she does walking the dogs. So I'm going to work out the problems with you and we're going to step by step work out how much money she earns giving piano lessons and how much money she earns walking the dogs and see how much more money she earns giving those piano lessons than walking the dogs. So on your sheet where it says step 1, in red over here in step 1, it says multiplying to find out how much Connie earns giving piano lessons each month. Well, Connie works 15 hours each month giving piano lessons. Each hour that Connie works, she earns $9. So we are going to multiply the 15 hours that Connie works each month and the $9 that she makes per hour teaching those piano lessons. So first step we will do is take our 5 times 9, which gives us 45. So we will drop our 5 and carry our 4. Next, we will cross multiply our 1 times 9, which is 9, add our 4, and we get 13. So Connie earns a total of $135 giving piano lessons. Now we're going to find out how much money she will earn walking her dogs. So Connie works a total of 15 hours walking the dogs, and she makes $7 an hour walking the dogs. So we're going to take her 15 hours each month times the $7 an hour that she earns. First thing we will do is our 5 times 7, which is 35. We will drop our 5 and regroup our 3. We will cross multiply our 1 times 7, which is 7, and then add our 3, and we get 10. So Connie earns a total of $105 walking the dogs. But now we want to find out how much more money she earns by giving her piano lessons than she does walking her dogs. So we will take our $135 and subtract it from our $105 because Connie earns $135 giving piano lessons and $105 walking the dogs. So we will take our 5 minus 5, which is 0, and our 3 minus 0, which is 3. And Connie earns $30 more giving piano lessons than walking the dogs. Now, at the bottom of our page, in the part that says, do you understand? It says, why do you think Connie earns more money giving piano lessons than walking the dogs? So I was thinking about that, and I'm thinking that with Connie giving piano lessons, she is actually with students working, training, showing them how to actually learn how to use a piano, learning those keys, each note that she is teaching them. Well, with walking a dog, you're not putting as much work into it. You're just taking the dogs for a walk. You're not teaching, you're not showing, you're just taking them out and giving them a walk. Where on piano lessons, you're teaching, you're showing, you are training those students how to become a good pianist, how to play the piano. So you're giving in a little bit more work. Well, I hope this lesson gave you an idea of what you are about to do. I hope it showed you what it means to earn an income, how you can figure out your income for the amount of time that you work. So when you work through pages 889 and 890, you can go back and look at pages 887 and 888 to see how to work out each problem, to give you some examples. Well, I hope this was beneficial to you guys. I hope you enjoy. Good luck as you continue working through, and we are so hoping to see you guys real soon. Have a great day, guys.